Ayan, may fire.
Everybody hit it with me, hit the sea line. Everybody do it with me, hit the sea line. We about to walk around talking about hit the everybody hit the 4-leg sea lion. My grandma, she a sea lion and she fat as hell. Push my grandma down the stairs, she sound like this. My cousin don't speak English, he speaks sea lion. We don't speak English, we speak sea lion. I'm trying to get that green like a sea lion. I'm trying to count that cash like a sea lion. I'm moving in the water like a sea lion. She got mad and hit the sea lion. Everybody hit it with me, hit the sea lion. Everybody do it with me, hit the sea lion. Everybody hit it with me, hit the sea lion.
Bombero, ilip-lili bombero.
Lola, ano sura kanina yun?
Yun, ultra mega na sunog yun.
Wala, SM eh.
Ang ating SM, ultra mega pa.
Bakit maraming tao sa labas?
Eh, yung mga empleyado.
Ayun ba yun?
Oo.
Yun. Oh, shit. Ayun ba yung sunog?
Yung pala nasusunog, ano?
Hala! Dati nasunog yung Star City. Ito naman. Hala!
Yun na, sunog.
Ano na? Lala, bakit may ambulance eh? May namatay ba na
Eh,
bata?
siyempre, baka mamaya may na ako na.
May namamatay?
Yun, nakaraming sa loob ng bombero.
Punta din tayo, tingnan natin. Diyan tayo pupunta dyan, no? Ayan, fire! Geng! Pulis na yan. Pulis!
Ayan, dami bombero. Ayan, yun na. Oh.
Hal,
Ayun, nasusunog.
nasusunog! May fire!
May pa.
Picture ka na. Go.